The FUJI X10, it's my favourite small travel camera. But when you travel, wouldn't you prefer a camera that you can pair to your cell phone, send images out immediately? Well, I'm going to show you the hack that's going to turn a classic camera like this into a smart camera. Keep watching. If you love tips and tricks to help improve your photography, then you're in the right place. I've got loads of them. So go ahead and hit that subscribe. You don't want to miss any. So the FUJI X10. I love this little beauty. If you want to know how much I love it, check out this review just here. I'll put a link in the description too. I know. Before the avalanche of "it has a tiny sensor" comments, it's just 12 megapixels, but Jpeg image processing is great way before its time. In short, it has a great lens, great image quality, and stunning like-alike looks. And it makes this a great choice if you're content to keep your images on the card until you find some time to download sometime later. Oh man, I haven't downloaded the image for ages. I can't even remember this. Where was it? You need a camera with real-world capabilities. You want to get those images straight onto Instagram from the shoot, don't you? If you just ran into Tom Hanks and you got a selfie, you're going to need to tell everybody on Instagram, like right now. It's obvious. You need a new camera. Whoa, this is going to cost. Or is it? Because cue the SD Wi-Fi card. The X10 might not talk to your cell phone, but the SD card sure can. And I bought this on eBay for 30 quid. That's madness, right? Like if somebody said they could make your old camera download to your cell phone instantly and the upgrade cost was just $40, you'd jump at the chance, wouldn't you? So, here it is. It's so simple. It's easy. Put the flash card into the camera, take a photo, there you are, and we're going to pair with the Wi-Fi card. And now open up the app, refresh, and there it is. Simple as that. Wow. Downloading and saved. That is just unbelievable. What's that, 20, 30 seconds? I've taken an old camera that doesn't have any new Wi-Fi technology and we've taken a picture, we've downloaded it, and we're getting ready to send it out to Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, wherever we want it to go, email, in less than 30 seconds. That is incredible. So there you have it. The Wi-Fi card. They turn your X10 or any compact camera. Hi, how you doing? Who are you? I'm your future self. I've just come in to tell you about the bits that you missed when you were recording this video. What do you mean missed? You forgot to mention DSLRs. Now, I know that they work with compacts fine and your beloved FUJI X10 there, but they also work with DSLRs too. But there is something that you've got to remember when you're putting them in DSLRs, and that is when you put the Wi-Fi card in, these DSLR cameras, they've got a kind of standby mode. When you're not actually shooting the picture, they kind of go to sleep a little bit. And when they do that, they're not putting power through the card. And when they're not putting power through the card, it's not putting a Wi-Fi signal out. So you go on your phone and you look for the signal and you can't see it. You think the card's not working. You need a way of getting power constantly going through the camera and therefore through the card so that it puts the signal out. And a great workaround for that is to just put it onto live view. If you put the camera into live view mode, there is constant power, it's constantly switched on, constant power going through the Wi-Fi card, it's constantly putting out a signal, so your phone will pick it up and you can download the stuff straight away. Hey presto, it's really easy. So, Wi-Fi cards turn your compact camera into a smart camera, but they also turn your DSLR into a smart camera. Okay, right, I'll pop back now. Nice seeing you. Thanks. Oh, and by the way, if you ever get an invite to a party and it says, wear fancy dress, just check the invite really carefully. Check that it doesn't say, wear a fancy dress.